So, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, ma'am. Kung kailan mo man 'to mapanood, I have a raw video na 'to na kinood ko siya which is umabot siya ng 30 minutes but the requirement was only 10 minutes lang po yung requirements, a minimum of 10 minutes. So, para mabilis din ako mag-explain and mabilis ko rin siya ma-send. So, this is my midterm laboratory exam which is yung pinapa-stimulate niyo, ma'am, na sample output is your parang average, yan, GWAY average natin. So, here is gumawa tayo ng chariot try. So, itong chariot try nito is for if you want to try again. So, gumamit tayo ng do para gawin lahat ng blocks of code natin na nandito sa loob. Yan. And then, tayo ng string para sa student name, para sa course, and para sa section. And int naman para sa kung ilang subject. So, proceed tayo dito which is, yan, which is dito is input lang naman natin yung name, course, and section and kung ilang subjects meron tayo. Dito naman sa string subjects name array which is dito natin i-store yung subject names natin kung ilan yung subject names na meron tayo. Which is nilagay ko 100 yung total kung ilan yung pwedeng ilagay. And sa float din naman, sa float grades ganun din, nilagay ko ng total 100. Sa float total naman, yung total naman natin which is for the GWA or general average weight natin is 0. Yan. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than num subjects. I plus plus. So, i-repeat niya lang to kung ilan yung number subjects natin na ilagay na dito, which is cout subject name, and after niya ma-repeat yung number subjects natin. Let's say, nag-input tayo ng 2. So, iuunahin niya muna ilabas si subject name. And then, pag nangyari yon is ibabalik ulit siya. Pero before yon i-store niya muna yung subject names dito. And after nun is direkta naman tayo sa grades which is lalagyan natin yung grades. And then, after naman input natin siya sa grades which is here. And then, after natin ma-input yun, let's say gumawa tayo 2. Maglagay tayo ng 2 dito. And then, i-repeat ulit yung for loop natin and i-repeat niya to. Which is 2 is less than num subject which is ito naman which is 2 yung nilagay natin dito. So, ang mangyari is hindi na siya magre-repeat pa rin siya but of course is maglalagay tayo ng bagong grades which is may store dito. And then after nun, pag i-connect niya ulit which is hindi na siya magre-repeat kasi nga 3 out of 2 na. Kasi nga nag-I++ tayo which is I plus 1 ang mangyayari. So, magbabago lang naman siya ng value dito. Yan. So, ayan. Student information. Ayan, para dito, para ma-print natin yung student name and person year. And gumamit tayo ng while naman dito para sa ating pass or fail. So, gumamit tayo ng pass or fail and if else or conditional statements para check natin kung yung grades ba is nasa 70 below. Yan. Kung ito naman is if grades is greater than equal to 70 to be passed. Pero kung 69 naman siya, magbadirect naman tayo sa else which is below 69 na siya. So, next naman is cout which is ito naman is para i-repeat naman din or para i-repeat ulit. Para malaman natin yung total GWA natin. No? So, i-divide lang naman natin siya sa num subjects natin. So, and sa total. Then, ayun, kakalabasan is yung GWA natin dito. I-run ko siya mamaya para makita na kung gusto pa natin i-display yung GWA natin. Ito, naglalagay ko siya for fun lang din. Ayan. So, cout display WN, enjoy. So, ilalagay kong Y or Y. Yan. If now, magpo-proceed tayo. If N naman yung pinili niya, which is wala naman dito, magpo-proceed na tayo sa do you want to try again? So, dito naman pasok si retry, which is yung nasa taas nga. na-retry. And yep, if nag-Y, so ulitin niya yung buong loop. And then see out na natin siya ng thank you if nag-no. So yan, try natin i-run. Ilang minutes na yung aking recording. 5 minutes. So try natin siyang i-run. F9. So enter your name. My name is Joseph. Enter your course. BSIT. Section 2F. And lagay tayo ng 3. And let's say math. 89. English. Let's say 69. And then saya. Hindi, ito na lang. History na lang. History 90. So, ayun. Student name, Joseph. Course, year and section, BSIT 2F. Math grade 89. Pass. English grade 69. Failed. History grade 90 pass. So, general average 82.667. Display GUI again. Yes. Yan. Display yung GUI natin ulit. And then, no. You want to try again? Yes. So, ayan. Ulit-ulit lang din naman. Course. Ayan. Section. Ayan. Subject. Ayan. Ilan yung grades mo. Ayan. Wala naman pinagpag. Yun. Yun lang. So, may separate video ko for the raw video habang kinakode ko siya. Kasi nga ba nun, and minimum is 30 minutes. I know wala naman nilagay na maximum, but I think we can go for it.